Yes, you can get both individual instruction and group instruction in a 45-minute piano class. You're going to see a piano class in action and see how that's possible. Here's part one of that lesson that has 4 students in the class. Let's join in. A small group piano class can also have individualized instruction within that group lesson. It's all in how the class is structured and the materials that are used. And I'm going to demonstrate a typical small group piano class and show you how that can happen. I'm Diane Engel, and I've operated a piano studio for 11 years where I teach in small groups. Today, I'm going to pretend to be talking to 4 students sometimes, and then sometimes I'll be talking to teachers. And you'll see that this lesson has 3 parts. First, it's the beginning song, which is their assigned song from last week. The next one is the learning song, where they did not see the music last week, they just heard it, but they'll be seeing it for the first time today. And third is a new game song. So let's get started. Oh, boys and girls, I see everybody's here. You've got your piano book open to our song that you had to work on this week, Closet Key. Very good. Before you play it, let's just sing it one time. I have lost the closet key in that lady's garden. I have lost the closet key in that lady's garden. And I remember how much fun it was to play this game with you last week. And it was sort of tricky. This closet key is just the same color as plants in the lady's garden. I want to play this one time today before we go to the keyboard. Don't worry, everybody's going to have a turn to play it, but let's just play it one time to remember how it goes before we get to the keyboard. Let's see. I'm also going to make it a little trickier today. Here's a green key. You're right, it's green again, but it's what? Yes, it's smaller. It might be a little hard to see. So Kate, I'm going to let you be first. Everybody else come sit on the carpet. Kate, you remember how we did it last time. First, you're going to turn backwards. You're going to close your eyes. And I'm going to put the key where Kate dropped it. Everyone be silent. And let's see if she can find it. Kate, turn around, open your eyes. Everyone sing, here we go. I have lost the closet key in that lady's garden. I have lost the closet key in that lady's garden. Oh, I'm glad you remembered not to go trampling and pick it up, just like the lady said. She said to point, and I see you pointing. She said, I'll go pick it up for you. And you pointed right here under this tree. Oh, good eyes. I had a little trouble finding it, but you found it. Like I said, everybody's going to have a turn to play. But first, let's all go back to the keyboard. And I see you circle some things. And one of the first things I see is that you circled the meter signature. 2 beats in a measure. How many measures did you number last time? 8. Good. Now, the first instruction said clap and read the rhythm. And that's what you did last time. But since we just sang the song, I would like for you to sing the rhythm names. So here, we're going to get our rhythm statues ready. And we're going to use, even though we're looking at this left hand low F, we're going to use the F sound when we sing. Sing your rhythm names, ready, go. T, 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 ta. T, 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 ta, ta. T, 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 ta. T, 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 ta, ta. Very good. Now let's look at the rest of the instructions. Last time it said put your finger 3 on A. Finger 4 will play G. Finger 5 will play F. And I see that you circled that little keyboard that shows those three notes. F, G, A. Stay right there and turn and look back here at the staff before we play. So I see our music staff, and what clef sign are we using? Bass clef, good. And I remember we had some L words that helped us remember that. Luke, your name starts with an L. What do you remember? Left hand, and our left hand even makes that L, doesn't it? And there's another L word that we remember when we look at the stems and we play these notes. What is it? Low. The stems go down low, and we're playing low with the music. I had those L words, but now I'm thinking of some F words we use. Jack. I see F here. What did this stand for when I'm looking at this red line? Fire engine red. Right. Fire engine red. That F reminds me that's the name of this line. And what line number is it? That's another F word that we remember. Kate? 4. Line 4. And this bass clef gives F, the line 4, the F name. Just like it gives every line in space its own name. I tell you what, before we do anything, I want you to do like you did last week. Say the whole music alphabet together, 2 times without stopping. Keep up with me. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Oh, I got a challenge for you. I want you to say them backwards 2 times without stopping. Here we go. G, F, E, D, C, B, A. G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Good for you. And there are those 3 notes, F, G, A in a row. And that's where they're sitting on the staff in a row. Line, space, line. We didn't skip as we went up with those 3 notes. Now look back at your music. Let's put that hand again where we talked about 3rd finger on A, 4th finger G, 5th finger will play F. I want you to play and sing F, G, A and use that sound again. Ready, go, F, G, A. Good. Now you're all going to play for me. And let's see. Kate, I want you to start first. Now everybody knows what to do. You're going to turn your keyboard all the way down so it's silently. And as I listen to the first one playing, the rest of you can be playing silently, or you can just be touching the notes as each one plays, and then you'll turn it up for when it's your turn. So the instructions are what? Play and sing the letter names, and then play and sing the words. And teachers, this goes quickly. This is just an 8-measure song. There are 2 beats in a measure. It doesn't take long at all in a small group. And the others are actively engaged as you're letting that child play by themselves. So they'll be either touching the music or they'll be playing silently. So they all have something to do. All right, boys and girls, I heard everyone playing. Good job. Now, Colt, you played last. So I want you to come play the game first. So, Kate, earlier you were the one that played the game first, right? So you stay at the keyboard and you play and sing the song while Colt looks for it, and then we'll take turns. Yes, I know. We went out to my flower garden last week, and we played it in the flower garden. But today we're going to stay inside and we're going to use this mural because I want everybody to be able to play the keyboard for each other. So teachers, again, playing this game goes quickly. They all get a turn to play the game, but they also all get a turn to play and sing. So they're having that individualized playing again. There you have it. The students played individually within the group in the first part of the lesson, and the other students were actively engaged, not just sitting and waiting their turn. Be sure to watch parts 2 and 3 of this same 45-minute lesson and subscribe to my channel, Play and Piano Class. to find more examples of lessons for group piano. Also, look in the description below for how to get a PDF copy of each of the game songs used in this 3-part series. I'm Diane Engel, and thanks for watching.